Agrobiology combines biological sciences with modern agricultural practices to solve real-world challenges in food production, plant health, pest management, and environmental sustainability. It integrates laboratory science with field applications, bridging theory and practice to support sustainable agriculture. So, why choose agrobiology? Let's start with the core disciplines of it. There are 4 core areas that could capture your interest. Plant pathology, the study of plant diseases and their control. Tissue culture and agronomy, the techniques to boost crop yield and soil health. Mycology, the study of fungi in plant health and disease control. Integrated pest management, sustainable strategies for managing pests and protecting crops. Meet the experts who guide the future of agrobiology with their research and experience. Agrobiology opens doors to multiple career prospects in agriculture, academia, research, and industry. The world needs solutions for sustainable agriculture. Be a part of the global effort for resilient agricultural systems. Begin your journey in agrobiology at the School of Biological Sciences, Universiti Sains Malaysia.